What's up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bridgette. I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. I am so excited. I'm on a goal here to hit 500 by the end of the month, so we'll see what happens, and just to keep growing and going from there. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share this video, and hit the notification bell so that you can be reminded as to when I post a new video. Now let's get into it. Okay, so as you saw in the title, this video is a haul of gifts I received and some unboxing, yeah, I think that's it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we'll start with the gifts I received first. As you guys saw in the last video, which was what I call it, the horrible vlog or the not so good vlog or whatever. Anyway, I just came from South Carolina, and I showed you in the last vlog the affiliate chapter president there. She picked me up from the airport, and she had some gifts for me. So the first thing I want to show you is this beautiful floral dress, and this is by Rose Velvet. I went on their site, and this is a dress. I tried it on. It fits great. I can't wait to style it with something, but this was so sweet. So not only did she gift me that pretty dress, I also got some new shoes. These are by Jeannie Bernini. Listen, and I have some shoes by them. I hope I'm saying this right. Gianni Bernini? I don't know. But anyway, these are Gianni Bernini's, and they are, they have the little studs on the side, that hardware there, another pair of clear shoes. As you know, I have the other clear shoes by Chinese Laundry, but these are amazing. So another pair of shoes that I received from her were these BG Generation shoes. Kind of the same concept as the Gianni Bernini shoes, with the clear, but it's a brown. I kind of like that. That's kind of cute. And look how that dips in on the side right there. They're really cute on, and so I can't wait to style these also. Okay, so a couple of vlogs back, you guys know that I was at a retreat, and I spoke at the Dreams Unleashed, Unleash Yourself retreat, and she gifted us with these beautiful, what is this, a box, I mean not a box, I guess a container, I guess, like from the Container Store. I don't know what it is, but anyway, some of the items that were in here was this nice beautiful blanket, which I've already used and washed, but I just wanted to show you. So I got this blanket that was inside this nice little box, and these slippers, some butterfly slippers. So her logo or her theme are butterflies, you know, kind of like unleashing metamorphosis type thing. And this beautiful cup that also has my name on it. I absolutely love this because anything that she gives us, she always puts our names on it, makes it more personalized. And this is the straw that goes with it. So there you go. Got that. Sorry. Then I got this nice little journal. You can see that. Dreams Unleashed. And it's yellow, and you guys know I've been into yellow lately. All the pages are empty, but they will be full soon. And of course, she had a nice bottle of water in there for us. This pen, I love this pen. It reminds me of, what was that, Sleeping Beauty, I think. No, one of those with the zippity, the bippity boppity boop, Cinderella. Yeah, the little fairy godmother. Anyway, I'm babbling. So this next gift I received from a dear friend of mine, Vaughn, and here's her picture right here. That's the two of us. And this was a Christmas gift that I just got from her, but it's by Soap and Glory. So I went to her house, and she gave me, I asked if she had some lotion, and so she let me try this lotion. And I was like, oh my gosh, because I like Purell lotion. It's always been the best. Let me tell you something. The lotion, the Soap and Glory, was amazing. And so it's like a whole gift set. So let's see what's in it. Oh, and I like this little tin too. Wondering like, ooh, smells good. Oh my gosh. So it comes in a bag like this. Let's pull these goodies out. So I got the Righteous Butter. Ooh, body butter. How cool is that? And this is by Soap and Glory. Everything smells so good in here. And then this, oh my gosh, some body wash, you guys. Look at that. Clean on Me body wash. And she's like brags about this stuff. It smells good. Her skin feels great. Her skin looks great. She's almost 60. Oh, she's 62, I think. She doesn't look it, I know, right? And then this is hand food. So this is what she let me use. Hand food. It's like a cream for your hands. This made my hands feel like silk. It felt so good. And every time I washed my hands, they still felt soft. And then I have some Heal Genius foot cream. So this is supposed to go on, you know, your feet after you wash them. You know, keep your feet all nice and smooth, especially after I go and get, you know, my pedicures and stuff like that. So that should be able to help. And then, oh, this is a body scrub. It says the scrub of your life. I have to figure out how I can transpose that so you guys can read it actually what it's supposed to be. But this is an exfoliant. So I guess you put this on your body first and then, you know, do your body wash or whatever. But this is such a sweet gift and I will be putting this to use like ASAP. And now for the haul portion of this vlog. I went to a book signing, if you will, a couple of weeks ago, and I'm gonna put the clip in here.
Really, the book is representative of who I am. Like you, I grew up with a major, you know, fascination with Africa. I grew up in a very, you know, pro-black home. So everything in our house growing up, and I grew up in Third Ward, by the way, like not too far from here. And everything in our house was full of black art, like the whole house. You know, I wonder if you got something working with you. My dad. Yeah, and literally. And because the first trip he took to Africa, my father was in like the same, you know, 1975, 76, 77. And he went to Senegal, he went to Liberia, Nigeria. So I grew up with that. I grew up with black books and every puzzle, every doll I played with had a black face on it. So the first trip I took to Africa was in 2011, but I had Africa all around me, you know, with the way I grew up. So this book is really a result of my foundation.
So as you saw, this young lady is amazing, and she's actually a PhD already, Lindsay Gary, Dr. Lindsay Gary. And so I did purchase her book, and it's the New Red Book, and the foreword is by our own Mayor Sylvester Turner. I love to read, and I'm going to do something fun with this book because all of the places that she put in this book, I'm going to do like go visit them and do, you know, videos for content and stuff like that, so I can learn more about these places as well and then share it with you guys. So as you guys know, Super Bowl Sunday was a few weeks ago. No, I didn't get anything Super Bowl football related. However, I was at my friend Sean's house, and we were watching the game, and her cousin was there, and it was also Sean's birthday, and so she gifted her a gift from her company. Now, I know you guys have probably heard of paparazzi, and so the jewelry is really inexpensive, and you know, some of it looks really, really good, and you know, some of it, because it is costume jewelry. So anyway, the item that she gifted Sean looked so good that I had to order it, and I ordered it right there on the spot, and she sent it to me. But it's this nice chain and the earrings that go with it, and it's heavy, and it looks really good. And so, you know, I was like, oh yeah, I can style this with some different items. And speaking of chains, guys, my necklace with my initial, the B, that I've had for 2 years, I broke it. I don't know if you saw in the last vlog, I had my turtleneck on, and I forgot that I had the necklace on. And when I took the turtleneck off, I heard it pop. So hopefully I can find a jeweler to fix it, because it's like my favorite piece of jewelry. I don't know if you noticed, but I always have it on whenever I'm vlogging, whenever, and you've seen it a lot. And yeah, so hopefully I'll get that fixed. But anyway, I really like this. And her name is Sharon, and this is her card. I don't know if you can see that. If you want to order something from her, I'll probably just take a picture of it and then stick it up here so you guys can see it, more than likely, because I don't think you can see it the way, you know, it needed to be seen. Or I'll do a little video and put a side video so you can see, you know, her information. Anyway, on to the next thing. So as you saw in the not so good vlog, I was in Charleston, South Carolina, and of course, if I'm somewhere, I like to shop. However, I did really, really good because I didn't, you know, bring a lot, leave a lot of room. So I didn't have a lot of room in my suitcase, so I was only able to purchase something small. So I went to one of my favorite stores, H&M, and I got this cute Kelly green tank top. And I'm so excited to style this. And it was only $9.99, guys. So I don't know if they still have them, but they are so cute. And then I got this one. It's black with the white trimming on it. I'm so excited to style this one as well. It was also $9.99. Now, something that I learned while I was in Charleston was that H&M will take clothes that you have if you bring them in, and they give you a percentage off. I think it's 15%, and then they donate them to different organizations, I guess, that they support. Now, I didn't know this, so I haven't found out yet if our H&M here, because there's several, if they do that also, but I'm definitely going to find out, because usually I will sell my clothes back to, not sell them back, but take them to like Buffalo Exchange or Plato's Closet, and then whatever they don't take, I take them over, the rest over to Goodwill. But I think that's a great program that they have. Oh, I meant to say that, let me know, comment down below if where you live, your H&M does that as well. I think that's a really cool program, because like I said, I'm here in Texas, and so I would love to know any other cities or states that they also do that at their H&M. All right, guys, that's it. There's a really short vlog of gifts and hauls all together in one. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share this video, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified as to when I post new videos. Back in the swing of things, guys. Back in the swing of things. Gonna keep this content coming. So anyway, I hope you're having an amazing day. I'll see you soon. Peace.